Sunday. Take a look at this sunrise. Beautiful colors out there this morning, thanks to some mid to high level cloud cover that we'll continue to see through our weekend, and that'll continue to build into your Monday as well. Right now, those temperatures at 63 degrees, a bit cooler than what we saw this time yesterday. Wind speeds right now right around 6 miles per hour. Not much of a problem for you. Humidity levels right around 38%. Reaching for that cup of coffee with us this morning. We'll drop into the the upper 50s by around 7 o'clock and right back to the 60s by 8 o'clock. We're going to see those winds stay mostly light through the morning hours, but start to pick up towards the afternoon. So, of course, Raiders at Allegiant Stadium taking on the Eagles. We're looking at those temperatures right before the game. So tailgate temps in the mid 70s, a bit more cloud cover pairing with those south winds at 11 miles per hour at 76. And then throughout the game, starting to warm up closer to 80 degrees. So it is still t-shirt weather. But as you want to head to the ice for the VGK game, that's maybe worth a jacket, of course, because you're sitting by the ice. But those temperatures looking really mild. Pre-game 78, 77 with partly cloudy skies by puck drop. And we're clearing out for those evening hours as wind speeds really start to pick up. By 9 o'clock, that's when that wind advisory will be in place for the valley. But highs today landing in the upper 70s. We're close to what's considered average for this time of year. We're going to see partly cloudy skies continuing through today before a rain system could head our way by Monday. With that comes that strong wind. So gusts at about 25 miles per hour through the afternoon. But this evening, we're going to be watching for gusts up to 55 miles per hour. And that continues into tomorrow as well. So a wind advisory will be in place tonight, overnight, and into all day tomorrow. Watch for incredibly gusty conditions, blowing dust along with that. And we're watching this system headed our direction that could bring some rain to our region on Monday. Watch for scattered light showers. Here's after midnight into sunrise tomorrow and then all throughout the afternoon. So a wet Thursday ahead of us. And until then, just cloudy and cold right now. But don't rule out seeing a few raindrops right now, even on that evening commute. We're seeing reports from Sean out in the field, seeing a few raindrops. Meanwhile, those temperatures feeling very cold in the upper 40s right now. Plus, we're adding some wind speeds up to 15 miles per hour, kind of adding to that chill, so it may feel quite a bit colder than those upper 40s. Here's a look at the satellite and radar. Right now, just clouds, but through the Sheep Range, we're getting some snow and some rain as well. And of course, there's more where that came from. But over the last 6 hours, these are unofficial numbers just based on radar, but it says we've received over an inch of snow so far for Spring Mountains and below that for Sheep Range, but we're expecting to see quite a bit more snow. This is the system that's expected to move in by late night tonight into tomorrow afternoon, and we do have that winter storm warning for our local mountains as well as that widespread rain that could bring quite a bit of rainfall for the valley. So as far as snow totals, we could see up to around 18-20 inches of that snow for Spring Mountains. So that would certainly impact travel through Highway 160 and heading up towards the mountains. Something that you'll want to keep in mind, keep those snow tires or snow chains if you plan on heading up there in the next couple of days, because our winter storm warning in place through Friday afternoon. As far as rain totals here in the valley, we could see up to a 1/4 inch for Las Vegas, near 1/2 an inch for Pahrump, and just under 4/10 of an inch for spots like Laughlin. In the meantime, these temperatures overnight going to be staying in the mid to upper 40s through about 9 o'clock. We're staying more mild for these overnight temps because of the rain and the cloud cover, but highs tomorrow going to stay very cold once again. We're landing only in the low 50s and upper 40s. Quite a bit cooler than what's considered average for this time of year. And looking ahead to New Year's Eve, we do have a very slim chance of maybe seeing a few raindrops or even some flurries on New Year's Eve, but what's much more likely is going to be very cold and windy conditions. We're looking at southwest winds sustained just under 20 miles per hour. So a very cold end to the year and a cold start to 2020. We're looking at 46 degrees for the first day of the year, and we're not getting much warmer from there. We're watching for those mid 50s by Wednesday.